Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. So these days a very trendy thing is going on which says what's there in my makeup bag, which shows all the essential go-to makeup products that a person always has with them. So in today's video I'm gonna show you guys what's there in my makeup bag, what are my essential go-to makeup products that I always carry with myself. So this is my makeup bag. This is my everyday makeup pouch which contains all the products that I carry with myself every day. This pouch might change, I may carry a different bag, the brand of the products might change, but the products always remain the same. So if you want to see what is there in my makeup bag, then keep watching. So the first thing that I always carry with myself even if I don't want to is my lenses case. I wear lenses all the time, and you never know with lenses. Sometimes you just have to take them off, or you get something in the eye, or just in case of emergency you might have to remove them. So you should always have this case with you, and I don't like carrying it, but I have to. The next thing is my BB cream. It is always there with me because it acts as a moisturizer, it acts as a sunscreen, and of course it acts like a foundation. It gives a very thin, natural, sheer coverage, so it doesn't look over. It looks completely natural, and I always have it. So I use my Clarins BB cream. The next thing is my mascara. I do not apply mascara on a daily basis, but I always carry it with myself. So just in case there is a sudden plan, I have to go somewhere, and believe me, my eyes always look tired and sleepy and they hardly open, so I just apply my mascara to make me look more lively. And my mascara is Lakme's iconic curling mascara. Not always, but most of the time I also carry my blush. I sometimes like a little color on my cheeks, and I also use it as eyeshadow, so it works as both, so I don't mind carrying it sometimes. And this blush is from PAC in the number 3. Then I always carry a hand mirror with myself. I know most of us don't do this because we have our phones, but I believe that the camera of the phone doesn't show those details and those precision that you can see through a mirror, so I always carry a hand mirror. Now the most important thing that I can never forget in my bag, no matter what, is my lipstick. The lipstick keeps on changing according to my clothes and according to my mood, but there is not even a single day when I don't carry my lipstick with myself. If by chance I forget my lipstick, I am doomed for the day. So this is something that I can never ever forget. And with it I also carry a lip gloss because sometimes my lips get really dry and they start to crack, so I just apply a little bit of lip gloss on my lipstick or sometimes under it, and my lips remain moisturized and smooth. And the last thing that I like to carry is a miniature perfume. These are really nice for traveling, and these are so handy. And sometimes you have, your sudden plans that you have to go somewhere, so you just put a little bit perfume and you're ready to go. So I always prefer keeping a perfume with myself. And that's it. That is all that I carry in my makeup bag. And that will be all for today's video. Guys, I really need your suggestions for my new videos. I have a real difficult time finding content for my videos. So I will really appreciate if you guys can suggest me some content for my videos. You can either comment down below or DM me or email me or whatever. Just keep suggesting me stuff so that I can keep making the videos. Please don't forget to like this video, comment, share, and most importantly subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video.